Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and act on their own. A world where artificial intelligence-driven robots are an integral part of our lives. Could you envision it? The reality is, we don't have to imagine. That world is here and now. In the realm of manufacturing, AI-driven robotics revolutionizes the way we produce goods. Consider Tesla's factory in Fremont, California. Once a monument to human assembly lines, it's now a testament to the prowess of AI-driven robotics. Here, robots perform tasks with a precision and speed that surpasses human capabilities. They paint, weld, and assemble cars with a level of consistency that reduces errors and increases output. This is the power of AI-driven robotics in manufacturing. Now, transfer that potential into the healthcare sector. Picture a robot performing intricate surgery with a precision beyond human steadiness. This isn't science fiction, it's the Da Vinci surgical system. This AI-driven robotic system has performed millions of minimally invasive surgeries worldwide. It translates a surgeon's hand movements into smaller, precise movements of tiny instruments inside the patient's body. The result? Less invasive procedures, reduced pain, and faster recovery times for patients. But the reach of AI-driven robotics extends even further. It has the potential to explore where humans cannot. Take the Mars rover Perseverance, for instance. This AI-driven robot is currently exploring the Martian surface, collecting data, and searching for signs of ancient life. It's doing this autonomously, making decisions based on the information it gathers in real time. In the vastness of space, or the intricacies of the human body, AI-driven robotics are making strides that were once thought impossible. They are redefining manufacturing, revolutionizing healthcare, and reshaping exploration. So to summarize, the advancements in AI-driven robotics are not just about machines doing jobs. It's about machines learning, adapting, and making decisions. It's about robots painting cars at Tesla's factory with unparalleled precision, or the Da Vinci surgical system performing delicate surgeries, or the Mars rover Perseverance exploring the unknown terrains of Mars. AI-driven robotics is transforming the way we live and work. It's not about replacing humans, but enhancing our capabilities, extending our reach, and opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. It's about a future where AI and robotics work in harmony with humans, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This is the world we live in today. A world made possible by the advancements in AI-driven robotics. A world where the potential of artificial intelligence is only just beginning to unfold. And the question isn't if they will become an integral part of our lives. The question is, how will we embrace, adapt, and thrive in this new world?